It's time to award the Stealth Nomad. It's Nomad Christmas! Yeah, that's right. I'm playing the role of Santa Claus here at Carbide 3D HQ right now. Before we get to awarding this murdered out masterpiece, I want to say to you guys who entered, wow, what a job. I'm so impressed with the stuff that you guys are making and the wide variety of creativity that you guys are displaying. Rockets, keycaps, wax stamps, inlays, aircraft parts, mechanical puzzles, bespoke eyewear, motorcycle parts, knives, lots of knives, 3D printer hot ends, trackable coins, mazes, church keys, guitar parts, dude, weather clocks, custom keyboards. Unbelievable what you guys are doing. So many of you are already solving problems, starting small businesses, maximizing your side hustle, learning and teaching others, really furthering the CNC community. You all are impressive. We were 70 plus entries for this machine right here. Well done. I definitely had some favorites and was admiring the creativity of the entries that you guys put in. There's a lot of swag that's going to be going out, some hot sauce, special Carbide 3D blend, and some other things we'll be sending out your way. Here are the most. Most creative and weird, and also most threatening, Wyatt Adamson. Maybe cut out some magazine letters next time and just mail those to us. All right, Wyatt? Best love letter, Frank Smith. Appreciate you, Frank. Creative, redacted, Steve Knox. A completely redacted top secret version entry. Well done, Steve. 3D Master Jacob Hoffman, most likely to send parts to space, Chris Dreher. Best nostalgia, typewriter parts goes to Frank Domnishk. Sorry, Frank, hope I got that right. Furthest entry, well, we had Faris Saeed from Saudi Arabia. We had friends from Honduras, from Finland, from Australia. Have to bust out Google Maps, figure out which one is the furthest, but well done by all. Most written details, Tyler Sowers. Wow, that was a lot of words. Unique, Chris Savage of Australia with custom eyewear. Quill Jones, Q-I-L. Quill Jones, face crafter. I don't know what's going on there, but I like it. It's amazing. It's totally different, something I had no idea existed. We're gonna be sending out swag to you guys for your efforts. We conducted some voting here inside HQ. It was an incredibly tough decision, but we have just one machine to give. The Stealth Nomad 3. First of its name, miller of metals, shaper of worlds, creator of creators, goes to Jerome Kelty.
And boom goes the dynamite.
An engineer and a jeweler who regularly shares his stuff and helps other people get started making their own creative designs. Congratulations to Jerome. I want to see some really unique things made. I want you to share them with me, share them with us, share them with you and everyone in the community. Congratulations, Jerome Kelty. This one-of-a-kind machine is on its way to you.